with the current challenges facing our country, there is a pressing need to hit the reset button. Chairman of ASLI Centre of Public Policy Studies, Tan Sri Raymond Navaratnam, says Malaysia needs to adopt radical and structural changes to address the many economic and social issues it faces.
This is called for radical changes. They cannot be superficial. They must be structural. And whatever do I mean by structural? Change and improve the main issues causing problems in education, in health, in housing. Those social facilities have not been extended, and that's why the poor are getting poorer, the rich are getting richer. All this protectionism should go. The Malays are the ones who will suffer most because most of the poor are Malays, and although they have reduced poverty, they could have done much more. I mean, a lot of these problems on the pandemic is because of poor housing, poor education, poor awareness, poor health facilities, especially in the rural and even some urban areas.